Three. 2 bills, 1 resolution.
Thank you po, thank you.
The gulay para sa kalusugan at kalikasan. That's one bill. The other one is dun sa, we call it the Animal Welfare Enforcement Law, because I filed already a revised Animal Welfare bill. So this one is parang a separate, this time for the...
Yan, patapsan po muna. Ikaw po.
Sir, sandali.
Ikaw. Dalawang bills, isang resolution.